Hi, it's Wednesday. It's dry at the moment, but it looks very overcast outside, but it's warm. So I've been in my craft room doing a bit of networking after putting up a video, and then I just thought I'd come out, and while the light's good, I thought I'd come out and have a go at the latch hook rug I'm making for Sienna, my two-year-old granddaughter. She's going to be, well, she is too. She was celebrated her birthday while she was visiting relatives in Russia, and we're having a party for her on Sunday. So I need to get this done for Sunday. So this is what I'm making. And I'm about halfway through. That's the instructions. There's no actual printing on the cloth, so you have to work it out and count it as you go along. That's what I've done so far. I think you can see the doggy's face is there. It's looking pretty good, like it should. I love doing it. It's really relaxing. Yeah, so I've got 3-4 days to finish it. Can't see a problem. Even if I have to stay up all hours, I will get it done. I only started it about 3 or 4 days ago anyway, and I haven't been doing it non-stop. I just come in the kitchen every now and then and do it. But I will get on it, probably do the bulk of it today, so that I can wrap it. So yes, I'm really chuffed with that. So I just thought I'd show you how I was doing. It's quite a simple procedure. I'll turn you around and see if I can show you what you have to do. Right, so what you do is there are strips like that. You fold it in half like that. You then put the hook through. You then come, I don't know if you can see, you hook through there, pull it through, and you slide that under there, wrap that round like that, and then it pulls it through. And that's it there. So I'll do another one. Fold it in half, put it through like that, round like that, round like that, and then pull it through. Obviously you make sure you get them roughly about the same length. So yeah, and you count the squares along and you do the different colours. But yeah, so it's quite simple, it's quite therapeutic. It's not something you could do while watching telly, because you need to concentrate, otherwise you might put the wrong colour in. But apart from that, it's fine. You can chat along as long as you're looking at what you're doing. So it's nice to sit in the kitchen and chat with family, and I can do it. So yeah, but I definitely recommend it. There's loads of kits. This kit was, I think it was 10 or 12. I think it was about £12 on eBay. You can pay a lot more. This one's quite good. It's edged and it's got a backing at the back. So it comes from China, as you can see. So that's probably why it's so cheap. I did pay £34 for the one I did for my one of my other sons. It was a giraffe and ABC, and it said baby on it, and that wasn't edged, so I had to turn it over and edge it myself and put some backing on, so that added to it. But this one is a true kit. It did come with a very cheap looking hook and eye to do it with. I don't know where it is. Oh, hold on. Yes, very cheap looking one. Looked like it would break. So I went back to the one that I got, this nice wooden one, and this is the one I got with the expensive kit. So and I've been using that, and it's nice. It's got a bend on it, which this one hasn't. So I've been using this one, and yeah, it's nice and easy to do, and definitely, you know, for £12, it's a lovely little rug for the kids to sit on or play on. And you can, I think you can, buy cushion kits. So you could make a cushion front out of this, which is probably really nice. So I might look into doing that, because there's only so many rugs you can have in your house, isn't there? So I might look into cushions as well. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll hopefully show you when it's all finished. But if you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.